Hello, John. This is JK speaking. Come from opaque laser. This is our 200 volt laser welding machine. This model is 110 volt laser power. You can say it's different. This model cannot need the transfer. This is transfer. You can see this transfer. 220 transfer to 110. It's very heavy. Weight about 30 kg. But this model is not need the transfer. You can use this. This is a US plug. You can see direct, like put to your. You can direct use it. Not need this one. Okay. Do you interested in this? You can see the power is different.